Zeekr, a sub-brand owned by Geely Automate for the sole purpose of manufacturing and selling premium electric cars, has launched its latest electric car, the Zeekr 7X SUV. The Zeekr 7X will be launched fully in China, European countries, and Malaysia by 2025 at an affordable price range. The Zeekr 7X comes with a starting price of $32,600 for the base trim with the small battery pack, while the rear-wheel drive variant with the big 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack is priced at $35,450. The top trim all-wheel drive costs $37,500, which is far below the price of all of its competitors, such as the Tesla Model Y, Mustang Mach-E, Avatr 07, and Luxeed R7. Zeekr has received over 20,000 orders from interested buyers for the 7X SUV. The Zeekr 7X is a revolutionary electric crossover that has managed to capture the attention of car enthusiasts around the world. With its sleek modern design and impressive features, it's clear that the Zeekr 7X is aiming to set a new benchmark in the electric vehicle market. The design and technology of the Zeekr 7X are equally impressive. The vehicle features a unique hidden energy design language, characterized by its sleek and futuristic appearance. One of the standout features is the front lights, which form the Zeekr Stargate interactive LCD display. This display can project messages and images, adding a touch of personalization and interactivity to the vehicle. The front of the car is equipped with over 1,800 LEDs that can show customizable patterns and text, allowing owners to express their individuality. From its frameless doors to the smartly integrated sensors, everything about this car screams innovation and sophistication. The vehicle uses flush door handles that slide open automatically when your hand approaches, a detail that adds to the futuristic feel of the car. Its air suspension system allows the height to be adjusted, raising it up to 22 centimeters for off-road capabilities, or lowering it to 15 centimeters for better aerodynamics. Combined with its bold 20-inch wheels, the Zeekr 7X boasts a confident and dynamic road presence. Stepping inside the Zeekr 7X feels like entering a luxurious cocoon. The attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the high-quality Nappa leather to the microfiber materials used throughout the cabin. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, featuring extended cushions that ensure proper support during long drives. Both the front and rear seats come with heating and ventilation, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The front seats also feature 6 massage settings, allowing drivers and passengers to relax during long journeys. Rear passengers are not left out, as their seats have adjustable rake and extendable leg rests, along with heating and ventilation features. This attention to detail ensures that all occupants enjoy a first-class experience. The cabin is spacious, with ample legroom and headroom, making it suitable for long trips. The interior also includes ambient lighting, which can be customized to suit the mood, enhancing the overall driving experience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light and comes with an electronic curtain to block out the sun when needed. The car's sound insulation is exceptional, with double-glazed windows and added noise-dampening materials keeping outside noise to a minimum, creating a serene driving experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the 15.6-inch touchscreen display, positioned at eye level for ease of use. Powered by the cutting-edge 8295 chip, the screen responds quickly and displays stunning visuals with high clarity. It offers seamless navigation through the car's various settings, entertainment options, media, and navigation systems. The controls are intuitive, with tactile physical buttons for functions like volume and trunk access blending perfectly with the digital interface. The steering wheel is a marvel of functionality, featuring controls for adjusting music, climate, and airflow, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. The driver has a 13.5-inch digital instrument panel that displays essential information such as speed, battery level, and navigation directions. Additionally, there is a 36-inch augmented reality head-up display that projects important information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road. Wireless charging pads are placed strategically in the cabin, and they are equipped with cooling systems to ensure your devices stay at optimal temperature while charging. The 21-speaker sound system offers rich, immersive audio quality, enhancing the overall luxury feel of the vehicle. Rear passengers have their own entertainment options, with 13-inch 2.5K OLED screens mounted on the back of the front seats. These screens can be used to watch movies, play games, or browse the internet, ensuring that everyone stays entertained on long trips. The rear seats can be folded down at the press of a button, creating an even larger cargo area for bulkier items. Rear passengers are treated to a luxurious experience, with adjustable backrests and magnetic tables in higher trims. Practicality is another strong suit of the Zeekr 7X. The 616-liter boot space is spacious enough for most needs, with additional storage compartments and hooks for better organization. Under the hood, the Zeekr 7X is offered in two configurations to suit different driving preferences. The rear-wheel drive model comes with a powerful 420 horsepower motor, while the all-wheel drive variant takes things up a notch with a staggering 640 horsepower. These powertrains allow the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds in the top configuration, rivaling many high-performance sports cars. The two battery options, a 75 kilowatt-hour standard pack and a 100 kilowatt-hours long-range pack, ensure flexibility for various needs. Both battery options support fast charging, with the 75 kilowatt-hours battery capable of charging from 10% to 80% in just 10.5 minutes, and the 100 kilowatt-hours battery achieving the same in 15 minutes. This fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime and maximizes the vehicle's usability. The larger battery offers a range of up to 700 kilometers under ideal conditions, making it a practical choice for long-distance driving. However, real-world factors like weather and driving habits can affect range. In summer city driving, the range decreases by about 20%, while winter conditions can reduce it by as much as 50%. On the highway, range depends on speed, but the Zeekr 7X's top speed of 230 kilometers per hour ensures that drivers have all the power they need for thrilling drives. The driving experience in the Zeekr 7X is nothing short of extraordinary. The car's suspension is finely tuned, offering a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. The ride is smooth, with the suspension absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. The regenerative braking system is customizable, allowing drivers to adjust the level of energy recovery to their preference. The brakes themselves are ventilated and perforated, providing exceptional stopping power and a braking distance of just 34 meters. The Zeekr 7X doesn't skip on technology or safety. It's equipped with 30 sensors, including LiDAR and high-definition cameras, to enable advanced Level 2 plus autonomous driving. The car's autopilot system is highly accurate, handling highway driving and parking with ease. Inside, a driver monitoring system ensures that you remain attentive while the car is in motion, while a fatigue detection feature adds another layer of safety. The 360-degree cameras, although average in quality compared to other premium features, provide a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and navigating tight spaces simple. The Zeekr 7X is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of how far electric cars have come in recent years, competing directly with established brands like Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes. The Zeekr 7X has redefined what an electric crossover can be. It seamlessly combines luxury, performance, and practicality into a single package that feels modern and forward-thinking. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle, a high-performance electric car, or something that turns heads wherever it goes, the Zeekr 7X checks all the boxes. It's a car that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them in every way imaginable.